The Sunshine State, which is Florida. That's where we're going today. The Secretary of State business search in Florida. Our goal is to see, use their Secretary of State business search so you can search for entities. You can look up for things like their status, other information, and then we're going to go through it and use the Cobalt Intelligence. And I'm Jordan Hansen, by the way. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence, and we're going to go through Florida and how to get the data via API with our portal. You can sign in and get a free trial to be able to use that, or you can also use it via Postman or a JavaScript SDK that we have. And so we're going to go through that today, how to get the data in Florida. So Florida is an okay state. It doesn't have entity type, which is bizarre. I'm going to double check that. That seems odd to me. But it has quite a bit of other information. It's a pretty good search. It's one of my favorites, in fact. So let's go over to it and we'll show you how it works. This is the search as if you're just looking for it. I'll have the link to this in the description. The cool thing is you can search by a lot of different things. And notably, this is the only state that has EIN, and you can search by the EIN. And EIN is an employer identification number, and it is provided by the federal government. I don't think any other states even collect this field. I know when I have applied for Secretary of State business licenses, I have never supplied my EIN because you don't need one. You can be registered without an EIN. So, all right, let's go. We're just going to search by name here. And this is what it looks like. Oh, this is a different domain. Look, let's zoom in some more. It is a different domain. Here we go. And what I did sword last time. I've done pizza. I've done pasta. Let's do something else, like laser. Ooh, laser. Yes. All right, so let's look for an active one, laser ink. That looks like a good one. Right there, laser ink. And look at all this nice juicy data we have here. EIN number, right? That's kind of weird to me. It's surprising. So they had the EIN. Now it said we didn't have an entity type. Is that true? How do we not have an entity type in here? Isn't that weird? Okay. Oh, right here, dude. It's right there. We need to get that information. I'm gonna add that to my list and get that on there. I don't know why we never pulled that before. So you also have documents here. You have officers. It really has everything you could look for that you're looking for. All right, now let's go to the Cobalt Intelligence portal, and we'll show how to do it there. So we're gonna go like this, laser ink. We're going to go to Florida, and we don't want this retry ID. That's icky. And we're gonna submit this. Florida's a pretty fast state, less than 20 seconds for sure. It's gonna go over there and get that data. Bam, there it is. Laser ink. See, that's the same one over here. So you can look back here. Same one. The document number is a P1 ever. Yeah, right there. We call it an SOS ID or entity ID, and there's all the information for that. Now here's how you do it in Postman. Let's go over here. Let's change the search query. This is the URL you'll use. You'll change the search query to laser ink. We're gonna change that state to FL. And we're gonna get rid of this retry ID. We do not need that here. We can talk about that in other states. And you're going to need your API key, and you're going to go x-api-key, and you can see the API keys right here. You just get it there from the portal. You put the value in right there, and you hit send. Submit the data, and it's going to go over and do that. Oh, there it is. Look. Da-da-da-da. Da-na-na-na. There it is. All the nice Florida data. And let's go to the JavaScript SDK, and we'll show how to use that. Oh, not that. This is where we go to this. Yeah, like that. FL. There. Can I get even closer on my zoom? Is that too much? What do you guys think? We'll search again. Okay, so this is how the API. Oh, I didn't save. I would like to. Okay, this is how the SDK works. You initialize it with a new SOS API. You pass in your API key right here. And then with this, you can just call get business details. You pass in whatever parameters you want, like business name, state, other things. I also passed in screenshot here. Right here, that true. That's a screenshot. Here's the data back, and we'll show what that screenshot looks like that. And there it is. Here's the screenshot. So it's something to prove that you've been there. You can show, hey, yeah, we've been there. We can see here, status is good. We have a timestamp here, and we have the URL in there that we posted. So that is Florida. Now Florida, like I said, pretty good state. Only state with an EIN. That's pretty impressive. It has an EIN, the federal identification number, and a lot of other great information. And one of the best states that are out there. And an enormous amount of businesses registered in Florida. I think because they don't have income tax. That's from my memory. From my tax days, I'm pretty sure they don't have income tax there. A lot of businesses, I can calmly, safely tell you, it's in the thousands of businesses register every day in Florida. So I'm Jordan Hansen once again. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence. Hey, you know what you should do? There's a subscribe button. You should hit subscribe. We can talk about more things, anything you want. You just comment and we'll talk. We'll be friends. I'm going to talk about web scraping on this channel. I'm going to talk about all the different Secretary of State data. That's really what I love. And you can like the video too if you like it. If you don't like it, you just don't, you can unlike it, I guess. Wait, there's no unlike button anymore. You can't unlike it. So just like it. That's it. All right, that's all I have. I'm Jordan, and I'm signing off from Florida today.